Unboxing my new Rimowa carry-on. Super excited. This is like the most expensive suitcase I've ever purchased. And it has a lifetime warranty. So after buying a suitcase literally like every 3 years, because they keep breaking, this will probably pay off in the rest of my life. At least that's what I'm telling myself. But I got the Sky Blue Hybrid carry-on. And I don't see a lot of people with the hybrid, so I want to talk about why I got it, because I think it's the best of both worlds. First of all, this color is so beautiful. Okay, so let's open it. Online it says this color is sold out, and I went to the store in Soho and they had it, so I got to get it like immediately. And I chose the hybrid because it's the best of both worlds. The normal aluminum one is just way too heavy for me, and I like to cram all my heavy stuff into my carry-on because they don't really weigh it in the US, the way they weigh the heavier, the big bags. So I'm trying to like put things that are already heavy in here. I don't need something that's heavier, but I love it because it still has like the little corners and the latches on the side. I also tested out the Essential, which is the normal one in the store, and that one's just a little bit too plain. That one looks like a normal suitcase where you really can't really tell what you're just spent like $1,000 on, and like with the zippers. But at least with this, you get the side locks, which makes it still look Rimowa-y, and these like handles on the side. But it's very, very lightweight. You just press it and it opens like this. I need to like figure out how to set a password and all that stuff. So the inside, they have these things that I guess just help you compress your stuff down more, which is good because I always overpack. Okay, so I'm gonna start packing for my trip. I'm going to my in-laws for Thanksgiving. This looks very roomy inside. I also like the non-aluminum version because there's a little bit more give. I know without a zipper you can't really like stuff things and try to close it, but I can probably sit on this and make it close if I get it all the way stuffed. But look how beautiful the color is. I just love the color, and this is gonna last me for the rest of my life. So let's do it. I wonder how many trips we're gonna go on with this thing. I heard the wheels roll really well. Let's test out the wheels. Okay, so to close, as I learned, you can't just press down. You have to, oh, I already scratched it, that's fine. What did he say? You have to press on the lock. Nope. Press on the lock, and then press it. Press down. Okay. I don't know, I think that worked. Let's see. This thing. I mean, yeah. I think it's dumb when airports have carpet on the floor, but this carpet seems to be doing okay so far. Okay, very lightweight. All right, I'm gonna start packing this now. Oh, Misha, you wanna go in the suitcase? You wanna go in? We're going on a trip. Misha, get inside. Get inside. Here. Running away. Oh my gosh, and the inside comes with this little name tag and a sticker that I can stick on it. I don't know if I'm gonna deck it out with stickers yet. I think I wanna get a few more stickers before I place this on, but yay.